politicians, prime ministers, ministers, presidents of the countries, MPs from the parliaments, debate very often for the good future of the young people in the countries. How we think that is the best way to improve the quality of life of young people. And really, we are not those who are most important or who most know the better ways how to improve the life of the young people. The young people themselves know the better ways how to improve the quality of life in the countries, in the whole region. So don't leave it to the politicians to decide for the future of the young people. You must be active. You must be very loud. And you must try to find a space for your activism. Because, you know, it's, uh, it's always a possibility to be more visible, more active, and push the society. Yesterday, we have one special session in the government for youth and youth policies, and we open debate of that. I think my ministers in my government now know better a lot of things, even with 1 3 hour discussion. For example, we make few conclusions and we take responsibilities. I am also leader of biggest political party in Macedonia, and we have youth organization also in our party. And they are mostly dedicated to the door-to-door activities, youth activities, how to share policies. I am left-oriented and with this solidarity and justice and everything. But I know that the biggest capacity and knowledge how to improve the society are in non-government organizations, where it's especially youth organizations. And if the governments and the society don't use it, these potentials, the countries will need it more and more time to change in a better way. So I mentioned that to encourage all of you. I am one of the 6 prime ministers here in the Western Balkan 6 countries, and we really build very good cooperation. It's also bilateral issues. We try to find solution with these bilateral issues, but we give a lot of expectation from the youth activities, especially through RICO, and the whole youth organizations in our countries. Because we know that there is a lot of knowledge, we know that there is a lot of future-oriented ideas, and we know that the youth are more reluctant of all these historical things, what was the reasons in the past to fight each other here in the Balkan. So I want to invite you, not only by the name of the government of Macedonia, by the name of the government of the whole 6 countries in Western Balkan, to be as much as possible active with ideas, debate these ideas, and push the governments to accept these ideas, and not only to accept, to implement these ideas. And we are only those who must preserve resources. You are those who must have a plans and will be implementators, and also those who will share the benefits of the projects. Really, the young generation are the biggest hope for the Western Balkan and the movement force to lead the Western Balkan in a full membership of European Union. Thank you.